Hi, my name is Ion. Today I will engrave a bunch of Zippo lighters. This 3D printed fixture clamps Zippos with a wedge and a screw. The spring actuated contact on the left allows me to probe the surface with the tool. The engraving tool is spring loaded and made from hardened steel. This is the real speed. Let's flip the Zippo over to engrave the other side. The other side needs probing too. One done. Let's do the next. Two done. I'll shut up now and let you watch the time lapse. This is the final result. Thank you for watching.